Create this nice cards pop on screen and slide out of screen like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. With the rectangle tool, click on the preview and drag to create a rectangle. Now in the Essential Graphics panel, set border radius to 100. With the selection tool, adjust the size of the rectangle, then click on the fill color and choose a white color. Now drag the icon you want to above track and timeline. Double-click on the icon in preview window and adjust its size and position. Now with the type tool, click in the preview and type your text. With the selection tool, adjust the size and other properties of the text to your liking. Click on this button to center align the text and change the text color to black. Also, click on this button to make all letters capitalized. Now select these 3 layers, right-click on one of them, and select Nest. In the Effects panel, search for Transform and add it to the nested sequence. Select the nested sequence, and open up Effect Controls panel. Double-click on the card in the preview window and move it to the bottom left corner. Under Transform, click on Stopwatch next to Scale and set it to 1 to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead 3 frames forward and set Scale to 110. Move the playhead 1 frame forward and set Scale to 100. Uncheck the Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set Shutter Angle to 180 to add motion blur to the animation. Now we have the card pop in effect, and I want to create card slide out animation. Move the playhead to the position you want to slide out the card and click on Stopwatch next to Position. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames and increase position's second value until the card is out of the frame. Select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease out to them. Also, to change the amount of ease, expand position and drag this small handle to the right. And now we created the animation. To create more cards like this, hold down the Alt key and drag the nested sequence to above track to create a duplicate from it. Then select the duplicate layer and increase position first value. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.